What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
BNGO has been on a roll lately with their press releases, and I've got some more good news for you today. Now, we do talk about other stocks on this channel, but BNGO is a stock that we talk a lot about. I've been covering genomics since it was a little baby, trading at around 70 cents a share. So I feel like I have to talk about this company whenever there's some new development, and we have another big one today. This is a quick and short update because the news literally just came out a few minutes ago. Genomics announces continued global expansion in adoption of its Sapphire system with addition of Indolo Bio in South Africa, bringing advanced genetic analysis to Africa. It's great to see that BNGO is expanding its footprint globally, and we already know that they're expanding in Europe, so Africa is a great addition and it could result in much higher revenues in the coming quarters. Having said that, I'm not entirely sure how many cytogenetic labs there are in Africa, but obviously if hospitals start using and utilizing Sapphire, then that could be a potentially huge market. Genomics announced the adoption of Sapphire system for optical genome mapping by Indolo Bio Limited, an advanced molecular genetics laboratory based in Cape Town, South Africa, marking the first adoption of Sapphire in Africa. Indolo Bio will develop assays on the Sapphire system to analyze the cancer genomes of patients with hematological malignancies and solid tumors. Through its network of contacts and collaborations with pathology groups and hospitals across Africa, Indolo Bio aims to make modern genetic technology available to everyone on the African continent. So I did go on the Indolo Bio's website, but there's not much information on there. I was trying to find how many collaborations they have with how many hospitals, etc. But the information is very scarce on the website, and it's hard to tell if it's a big organization or not. It seems like they're just one laboratory, but they might have a lot of contacts, a lot of collaborations with different hospitals, but there's just not much information on their website. But I'll keep you posted on that as soon as I find more information. So the head of genetics of Indolo Bio commented, "I have been following BioNano's progress for years and have been impressed by the correlations of OGM with standard cytogenetics reported in the validation studies that have been published and represented so far. As I am the national board examiner for the specialized field of cytogenetics of the Society of Medical Laboratory Technologists of South Africa, my goal is to formally register our Sapphire-based laboratory as a training laboratory for the field of cytogenomics and write OGM into the South African cytogenetics guidelines. Where chromosomal microarray has failed to replace standard cytogenetic testing of cancer samples, I believe OGM has the potential to revolutionize cytogenetic analysis in Africa and the rest of the world." So again, I think this is great news for BNGO as more and more countries and continents start adopting Sapphire as a go-to tool for cytogenetics. BNGO will start becoming a household name in this field. Anyways guys, that's it from me, and I'll see you in the next one.